Now, then, if we go to iTunes, you see at the bottom there the red triangle with the 3 red circles, the kind of broadcasting symbol. Make sure there's a tick next to it. We'll go back there. It's turned up. In fact, I'm going to turn that down and then click on that. Click play. Go to Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio. Barry's iPhone connected. So it's showing the tune that's playing. I'll just turn that up a little bit from there, and then we'll turn this up. There you go. That's how to stream audio.